Howdy folks, so today I'm going to be okay, I got it power washed here. Not really making much power at all. It's got the check engine light flashing. At idle it is shaking, but the coilovers feel good. I'll just set this up. It's dirty. Ew. Not too much shaft play. Well, the engine may have been out, but it never really got serviced when they did the clutch. All right, so today I'm just trying to get the exhaust manifold off, really. I guess they call this the up pipe. And on this car, it is not catted, actually. But it does have an oxygen sensor. I got the cylinder head off, the driver's side cylinder head. And so on this side, it's hard to tell what's going on exactly. I mean, nothing looks too bad, but I did find the reason why this thing had no compression. And hopefully you can see this. It is the exhaust valve on the number 4 cylinder. So that's the failure. You know, the question is why is it always cylinder 4 that's failing? And I've seen some videos where it's one video in particular, it was a PFI speed video, which is a tuning company, I guess you could say. They dyno cars up in northern Colorado here, but they had a Subaru on the dyno, and they were doing like something like 600 horsepower and something crazy. And the guy had done some research and figured out that there's no coolant going over cylinder 4. Like the way that you could see that is this is cylinder 1.3 on the turbo side or the passenger side, and it has coolant. You know, there's a coolant line that leaves. I think it is this one. So coolant is circulating through the back of this cylinder head. But on the driver's side, you can see everything is plugged here. There's no coolant passage that leaves the driver's side, the back of the driver's side cylinder head. A guy named, I think his name is Dominic Isha. His company is getadomtune.com. He's kind of made this retrofit where you pull out one of these plugs and you know, you can basically have a line tap into the back of the cylinder head so that coolant will flow, you know, obviously over cylinder 4. Whatever the guy's name was that did the video that had the car, the Subaru, the PFI speed, he measured the exhaust gas temperatures and found that when he did the mod where he's allowing coolant to flow through the back of the driver's side cylinder head, the exhaust gas temperatures equalized on the left and right side. Before he had done that, they'd been like 100 degrees warmer, he said. So my plan is you can buy this little like hose mod that I got from Get a Dom Tune. So I'm planning to put that on this car. So that's what I know. If you guys know more about it than I do, please comment or because I am curious why, you know, this is now my second WRX of this vintage, the 02 to, you know, this one's an 04. And I'm sure it applies to all the 2 liters, maybe the 2.5 liter WRXs as well, where the cylinder 4 fails. So that's what I've found out, and that seems to make sense to me, that if there's no coolant running over that part of the cylinder head, well, it's going to get hotter and you're going to have more failures. So that's where I'm at with it. Let me know, comment below if you know something more than that. Thanks for watching. Here she is. Still ugly. Now it just doesn't have any headlights. I was thinking maybe I could repair this. Any tips? Got a little carbon damage there. If you have any tips on that, let me know. Because I think I could just repair that and have this hood painted. And that'd be cool to have a carbon painted hood. What do you guys think? Doors? Should I try and PDR them or just replace them? I don't know what's easier or cheaper. I think I could probably get 2 doors for 150 bucks. May take a while.